percent of the size I got hit by. And it sounds like some of them are even bigger. Yeah, that was the next side started hitting the White House over there. They are flipping huge. You better be careful, Mike. If you come down that side, I don't know what's going to happen to you. No, you got hit by one.
Yeah. It's nuts. Haven't seen hail this size in years.
And in the beginning, it just sounded like somebody was standing there and throwing a stone. That's why I was like, who the fuck is doing that? Ah! Wow. It's like a huge one.
That'll cool the fish off.
Oh, that was a big one there, dude.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, you should hear the guy that was just out there. Ow, ow!